Hello friends, welcome to another live stream. It seems like my first 2 minutes were silent because for some reason I haven't switched on my microphone. Now it seems like everything is okay. However, do let me know in the live chat whether you hear me well and if the video quality is good enough. So today I would like to talk about extension requirements of the extension we reviewed in the previous live stream. And before going into the details, let me just share this stream so more people can join. And let me know in the live chat where you watching from and how is your mood today. While I will share this wonderful live stream. You can also share this live stream with your colleagues, friends, family members if you have developers or anyone who is related to development or IT. And yeah, so we can start. So if you are new here, or if you are new to this live streaming episodes, on the previous live stream we reviewed an extension. It's a fully implemented extension. However, that extension was implemented for Magento 2.2. We reviewed that extension, and that extension allows to add a page for a customer account page, or in a customer account there is my products page, and this my products page is responsible for providing access to the recently purchased product or all products that were purchased under this account's customer account. We found out that there are some issues and not only business related bugs, so issues that definitely affect business scenarios that were part of the requirements, but also some architectural decisions that were done for this extension and implemented based on those architectural decisions that I believe that those decisions can be reviewed and we can implement an improved version of that extension. On the previous live stream, you shared an interest. The guys who were on the previous live stream shared an interest, as well as in the comments below that video, that you guys would like to see how we would approach that extension, whether it's refactoring of that extension or fixing or improving it in one way or another. And in order to see a better improved version of the Magento 2 extension and how we can actually work in order to improve that extension. I'm still sharing this live stream in the on social media. on social media. Yep. So, please let me know in the live chat where you are watching from and how is the quality of the sound, video, and I would like to find the original requirements that were used in order to build that extension that we reviewed last time. Let me share with you quickly that extension. So this extension, as we previously checked, I did one change. It's customer ID, and this customer ID is used instead of customer email. And with customer email, when you place order with the exact same email, but you are a guest user with Magento, this page, the page that is responsible for showing this My Products, breaks, and it doesn't work even if you reload the page multiple times. So it's basically a bug that has to be fixed, or an extension that has to be improved. So we have accounts My Products extension. There is one controller, 2 API interfaces, some configuration including extension attributes, web API, 7 API endpoints, front-end route, some search results, plugin for product repository, and we previously reviewed that that plugin adds and loads data on all occurrences where product repository is used, and it basically means that it consumes additional memory and additional time in order to add or load data from a database, even though this data is only exceptionally used on the My Products page on customer account. Some service, customer purchase products, is basically the service that is responsible for retrieving those products that are rendered by UI component, and this UI component contains six JavaScript files and around 4 HTML files in order to show My Products page result. Let me know in the comments in the live chat where you are watching from. And in the meantime, I will prepare a document with requirements. So Magento 2 extension requirements. So I have original requirements, however, I will be reading these requirements and adding it to the new document that we are going to fill during this live stream. So we can work from the document and compare the existing implementation and for the new implementations that we are going to proceed with. So, requirements. Let me know in the live chat whether you see this document and if I have to increase the size of the page. Okay, so first requirement, logged in customers should be able to see my products menu item underneath the address book menu item. So this is a first requirements. Pretty straightforward requirement. There is nothing we can add. I mean, it's not complicated requirement. It's just adding a menu to the customer account and adding a page that is going to show my products. Next one. By clicking on the My Products link, there should be listed at least 10 ordered products in a page size of 5. So this is an original requirement. However, I do see problems with this requirement. It's a business requirement. It says that at least 10 ordered products in a page size of 5. So my question would be, maybe I will get answer after reading the next statement, but my question would be, if I have 3 products and how 3 products ordered previously with my customer account, how am I going to show at least 10 ordered products? At least 10 ordered products. This one. It's not clear. On a page size of 5, it's clear. So first, whatever 5 cards, product cards, product links have to be rendered on a page. But last 10 ordered products doesn't really make sense, but we will get back to it later. The drop-down filter default value of the product listing is last 10 products. Okay, so this is a requirement related to drop-down, and let me start my application. So Docker. While I'm starting my application, I would like to show you magemastery.net. If you are new to Magento or you would like to improve your skills, on magemastery.net there are 2 things. First one is free quizzes, where you could check your Magento knowledge. It's interactive quiz, where you could basically go and check how good you are in terms of understanding Magento concepts, Magento architecture, Magento development practices and techniques. And by the end of this quiz, you will get better understanding and information what areas needs to be improved. So if this is something you would like to learn, go ahead to quizzes page, smagemastery.net, and check how you know Magento architecture. And second one is courses. There are free and paid ones, so you can start with free ones and then move to paid ones if you feel comfortable learning more and developing Magento 2 extension. So basically the free ones gives you some overview, practical overview, because there are no theory or there are no documentation type of lessons, practical lessons that will allow you to and guide you towards your Magento 2 skills improvement. And paid courses like Magento 2 Development Workshop or Magento 2 Payment Method or Adobe Certified Professional Preparation would guide you with real Magento 2 projects. It's video lessons where you will learn step by step some area of Magento 2 development. So if this is something you would like to learn, please make sure to check this page. It's magemastery.net/courses, where you could check available courses on the magemastery.net website. Magento.test. And here I should have my account, but I don't remember my account. QX38. No. It's sometimes confusing to see what exactly I have to type in this CAPTCHA. Okay. So, and what is my customer? This one. Probably. Okay, and under my account there is my products. So first requirements. Logged in customer should be able to see my products menu item underneath the address book menu item. And I'm pretty much sure that underneath address book menu item is not like at the end, at the very end of the customer navigation. It's first thing, and second thing that my products link has to have capital letters. My products, and here we have lowercase p, unfortunately. But it's a minor bug, so it's basically 2 git commits or 2 pull requests in order to fix this issue. And here we have my products page, we have filter that shows latest 10 products, and we have product cards that are showing price, quantity, and last ordered on information. Next requirement, by clicking after the list of 5 products on the button load more. And probably we have to do like this, load more. button, the next 5 products should be loaded and displayed. So how would I be showing 10 ordered products and last 10 products if I show size of 5, latest 10 products? Why would I be showing size of 5 and saying latest 10 products? So it's a business requirement bug, as per my understanding. Wow, this one is very interesting. In order of the selected drop-down filter, there should be displayed the maximum list of items. Probably this requirement means that we have to see exact number of items that were selected by the filter, like this one. And please note that this filter contains both last 10 products that are not dependent or related to date, and a date filter that says in the last 10 days, in the last 30 days, in the last 6 months, during the last 2 years, and all products. Next requirement. Following drop-down filter values should be possible. Alright, let's leave it and then let's improve. Last 10 products, last 10 days, last 30 days, last 6 months, last 2 years, all products. There is no requirement. However, I believe that maybe custom admin user should have configuration setting in order to customize this drop-down filter. But it's again, it's my probably personal preference, or I would think what can be done in order to improve this business requirement. Next one, product should include the following information: SKU, price, quantity, add to cart button. This one is interesting. The product listings are simple products only. For example, a customer buy it. Hello Andrei, hello Antonis. So for those who just joined, we are doing requirements review for the extension that we reviewed in the previous live stream, and this extension is called Accounts My Products, where you as a logged in customer can have a custom page called My Products with some filter capability, and from this page you can quickly add products to cart, and this is a list of products that were previously purchased by this customer as a logged in customer of this website. And we are writing, summarizing requirements that were initially brought to development team for implementing this extension. So a customer purchased configurable or grouped product, the symbol behind product should be a simple product. We can write child product should be listed. So here we have an example of a configurable product that was purchased. So I selected blue child product and purchased it under this account, and as we can see, we have a simple product shown on this page, even though this configurable blue, if we will check products page, configurable blue, not visible individually. So it's some sort of custom query, products query, that shows those products that are not visible individually on this page. The problem could be with these requirements and implementation is that if this product not visible individually, there may be a chance that this product will not have any product image. And it means that A, we have to change the requirement or adjust the requirement and add the information about where should we get the image from, let's say configurable, or there is a bug in the requirement that it should not be allowed. And if it's allowed, we still have to show configurable product with the pre-selected blue color option here, as we have this option selector. Because if I have here option selector, it means that basically I am manipulating with configurable product. And it's not a simple product that is not visible individually, like here, blue. It's a configurable product with a pre-selected simple product that was initially purchased by this customer in one of the previous orders. So here we have to find out what should be done here. Let's move to the next requirement. By the way, we have to add that product image should also be shown, because here we have product image, and maybe last ordered on information, but we will get back to it. Customer can modify the quantity, the product quantity, and can add the product directly to the shopping cart. Yeah, what we see here, we have quantity that is editable, and we have button add to cart. And we did try and modify the quantity and clicked add to cart, and it works. Product with quantity 5 is added. It's interesting to mention that last product and first product is the same product. So basically, if I will click this product, I should see quantity of 7 because it's identical product. As far as I remember, there is no mention in business requirements that we have to somehow remove product duplicates from this list, or not show product, duplicate products. So requirement number 10, the product price and other product information. Basically SKU and image. Product information should be the current one. It means that if I order a product, and it will be a product that is listed on this page, and if admin user will delete this product from admin panel, from a website, this product should probably disappear, or this product add to cart should not be clickable. Because if we get this actual information of the product, it means that we cannot have some sort of index database table where we will put all the information related to products in order to simplify. As you remember in the previous live streaming, that we did have 5 web API requests in order to render these 3 products. I will show you. So when I refresh the page, we have 6 web API requests to render these products, and it's just 6 products. So one of the ideas would be, Anton is saying, I think instead of showing the same product multiple times, if the customer has bought it more than 1 times in different orders, it should show the last order date and the older order dates with quantity. Antonis, if you don't mind, I will use your comment as a comment to the requirements. Where is? I don't know where to put your comment, but let me put it somewhere here. So we can get back to this improvement of the extension. Something like product order history. Yes, product order history. It's interesting. Note for this requirement: if some product details are changing since the customer order, the customer should not be notified about this change. For this change. So basically this additional note says that we should not add any email mechanism, or I don't know, a notification mechanism for a customer to send an email or to notify through the customer account that the price of the product, price of any of the products that are listed here has been increased or decreased. So if initially a customer purchased this configurable blue with the product price 105 and tomorrow it will be like, I don't know, 50 euros, we have to show 50 here. for logged, next requirement, for logged in B2C customers, the price have to be displayed including tax. So the question here is, how do we identify if the customer is B2B or B2C? B2B or B2C? Because even after reviewing the extension source code, I didn't see any mention about, as you can see, there is only CSS class used for the price, so this feature is not implemented. This extension doesn't know about B2B or B2C customer, let's say, group, and the requirement doesn't mention whether customer groups. Antonis, you are right, maybe it's a customer group, but business requirement doesn't mention about customer groups. We may assume that, according to Magento, that we can use customer groups in order to identify. But again, customer group is, so you could have 10 customer groups related to B2C customers and 5 customer groups related to B2B customers. It means that we have to add another layer of identification or groups, or I don't know, customer group category that will say that these 5 or whatever selected customer groups are B2B, or the other 10 are B2C customers. But based on the requirement, it's not clear what should be done. For logged in, it's the next requirement, 12. B2B customers. How do you like the next requirement? B2B customers. The price have to be displayed excluding tax. Default tax settings based on external Magento module group based taxation. So what do we know? What do we understand from this requirement? First of all, that there is some third-party extension. We can build this third-party extension that will be responsible for external Magento group-based taxation. Or we can introduce in that module some API or interfaces that will be responsible for providing, again, interfaces, and these interfaces can be implemented by a third module, but these interfaces will give us interfaces and methods of these interfaces to be able to answer a simple question whether this customer or whether this customer group is related to B2C or B2B type of customers. Requirement number 13. If a customer is logged in and a product is not available anymore, delete it probably, because it's not clear what is not available anymore. The customer should see notification, for example, it says item not available anymore and removed from the product list. Same notification like in the cart if some products are removed. So I wonder what will happen if we have a customer account with hundreds of products in the my products on the my products page, and half of these products are removed, and this customer could log in next time in 3 months after, and during this 3 months period 50 products out of 100 were removed. If we will implement the same mechanism as shopping cart, are we going to show 50 or multiplied by 10 500 product names notification message? It would be like full screen notification message saying the below products are removed. Or how are we going to show this information? It's not clear. We can improve, I think. The requirement number 14, the display of last ordered at and date format should be inside of a div container. So it's some sort of a technical requirement underneath the product, underneath the product. And requirement 15 on the right side of the product div container, again some technical requirement, with the ordered information, the order number should be displayed like order. Cool. That's it. 15 requirements. So here we have last ordered on, div, and order number. Again, implemented in a different way because the original requirement says like this, order semicolon, and here we have order number. Probably it would be better to have some sort of Magento way of showing order number, something like this, or even like this. It would be more straightforward. These are the requirements, original requirements. I think we will improve these requirements and we will review these requirements on the upcoming live stream. And I would like to show Mage Mastery quizzes where you can go and learn and check your Magento skills by going through interactive quizzes where you can learn, check and assess your knowledge, and if you have some gaps in Magento to knowledge and you want to improve them, you can go to magemastery.net/courses, check from free and paid online courses. There is no theoretical information, there is no Wikipedia type of lessons, it's all video lessons, practical lessons that you will follow along and build fully functional Magento 2 functionality. So make sure to check magemastery.net/courses, where there are lots of interesting and different courses with the valuable practical information on how to build extensions and how to improve your Magento 2 knowledge. And for this live stream, I would like to say thank you. Make sure to subscribe and click like, notification bell, so you won't miss the next live stream where we are going to improve the requirements and do some coding or development of this extension. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next live stream. And I believe this should happen in today, in the couple of hours, in 5-6 hours, or tomorrow, same time. Bye.